Okay, let's look at this question on division of polynomials. The question says divide x raised to the power of 3 plus 64 by x plus 4. Now, to divide a polynomial, the concept is this. The idea of division of polynomials is to always ensure that your first term is made to be 0. What will I multiply by? A number given here, the first term given here, that will also make the first term I have 0. Now, this is what I mean. But before we solve this, we must rearrange this. Let's have x plus 4. Now, we cannot write x cubed plus 64 in here because the power here is x. So we must reduce this x cubed until we get to this x, to the x here. This is what I mean. We'll start with x cubed. Now, to reduce it, what we'll do is this. We're going to be adding zeros. We have plus 0x squared plus another 0x. We have gotten to where we're supposed to get to. Now, just x, then plus our 64. So you must always ensure that you write this in terms of this. You have to reduce this power until you get to x. That is what you have. Now, we divide now. What will I multiply by x that will give me x cubed? So that when I subtract, I'll have 0. If you check it, it's x squared rather. So if I say x squared times x, it will give me x cubed. See, I have the same value here, the same term. The same thing, x squared times plus 4. We have plus 4x squared. If you observe, the powers are the same. Now you have multiplied. The next thing, you put your minus sign. This minus this, of course, is 0. 0 minus plus 4x. 0 minus plus 4x. Of course, the answer is going to be minus 4x. So you have minus 4x. Don't forget there's a square. Minus 4x squared. Then this one, we bring down plus 0x. Now, the next thing again, what will I multiply by x that will make this 0 when I subtract? If you observe, if you put a plus sign here, if you say plus 4x, I say plus 4x times x, it's going to give me plus 4x squared. But when I attach a minus sign here, I am not going to get 0. So it has to be minus 4x. Minus 4x. Now, minus 4x times x will give you minus 4x squared. The same thing, minus 4x times plus 4 will give you minus 16x. You will subtract. Minus 4 minus minus 4. Minus 4, this one, then this sign, minus 4. Minus 4, minus times minus plus 4. The answer is going to be 0. So, therefore, this is 0. Now, 0, look at this, 0 minus, that's this minus, 0 minus 16, 16x. You have 0 minus times minus is plus, have 16. So what you are going to be having is plus 16x. Now, you bring down this 64. Now, what will you multiply by x that will give you plus 16x? The answer is going to be plus 16. Plus 16 times x is plus 16x. Now, plus 16 times 4. 16 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Add down 4, carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So you have plus 64. Then you subtract. Now, when you subtract this, what you are going to have here is going to be 0. Here to 0. So you have 0, 0. Now your answer is, therefore, the answer is x squared minus 4x plus 16. This is the answer to this polynomial. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, to like and to share videos. We're also going to have more videos on polynomials.